Okay, now it's ready. Don't press anything, it's ready now.
So, what do you want me to take?
Here. Hi, Daddy. Look at me. Look at me. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. Mm. Mm-mm.
Okay.
Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. You're supposed to wake up if Daddy is here. Oh.
I guess we have to face, yeah, the other way.
Here.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Oh.
Cindy, your fatty cheeks.
Oh. Uh-oh. Wake up. Open your eyes. Oh, I have to take out your cup. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. What's this? Mm. Mm. Yeah, she's comfortable like this.
I guess so.
Mm. Oh, she's barking.
Oh,
Maybe I'll do this to Warren too.
well, that's a burp, huh?
Yeah.
I never heard of burps.
Mm. Ah, that's not barb. What is that? Huh? I'll check.
Okay, I'll stop now.
No, don't stop. I'll check and then.
Why?
Just stick it even when she makes.
It looks so dark, though.
Here, is this
Wait,
thing?
let me...
We'll have to check her. I thought that's a barb, but I think it's not. I never changed the diaper yet, so I might as well try. How they do it? Huh? Oh my God! How do nurse do this? Huh?
Yeah, you better find out
Yeah.
how to do it.
Nice. Oh my. May I see? Look at that, Daddy. Don't stop, huh? Wait a minute. Because I don't know how they do this. Wait. Oh, the front is this one. Okay. Okay. So, how do I do?
I guess I'll stop now.
What? Don't stop.
Why?
No, not focus the whole day like that. Because, yeah. Don't stop. Just continue. Oh my God. Baby? Uh-uh. Uh-uh. What are you doing, Cindy? Huh? Oh my God, she feel cold. Oh, she cold.
You mean the wipe is cold?
Yeah, she go like that. Don't focus, just the whole body, because she will embarrass in the video.
Well, that's the only part you can see.
Oh. No, the whole body. Take the whole body here. Not her private part. Because she will embarrass. Right, Daddy? Cindy, you're gonna spank your dad. When you get 18 years old, Daddy shoot out. Okay. You have to clean. Okay, wow, clean baby. Oh my God, Mommy knows how to change. Now. So what time? So 10 to 5 she make dodo.
Now the diaper.
Okay. Oh, there's more. Okay. What? Oh. Oh, like this. Oh. Huh? Sus?
Oh, don't cry. You're all clean now, Cindy.
Okay. You're clean. I'm gonna give you a warm. Okay, you want Mommy to carry you? Okay. You are clean. So, hopefully Warren will make a doo-doo too. Okay. You are clean, so this one will have to shoot to the nurse.
Mm-hmm.
She stopped crying.
Okay.
Okay, I'm clean now, Daddy, so I'm asleep.
Okay.
Okay.
She wants to get back.
Her eyes is open. Oh, smile. Smile. Oh. Yeah, he's just sleeping.
Not there.
There you are.
Oh, you're awake
Oh,
now.
ay,
Oh, you're yawning.
yeah.
Mm.
After Dudu yawning.
Now you're
No.
awake.
Mm-mm.
Cindy?
He's awake.
Oh.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hello.
It's dark.
Her eyes.
Yeah.
Here. Yeah, here.
No, the wire.
Oh, I will hold this. Okay, and
It's
then
okay.
move.
It's
Okay. No, don't turn off like that. It's
I'll better turn off now.
yeah. So when you turn off just like this,